Good morning, everyone. Wait a second. Oh, it's still morning. It's 11:30. I hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. This morning I haven't really done a huge amount. I'll show you in a second why. But I have to go into work for 1 and I'm picking up pizza for the guys because it's Friday, and so I have to go in a little bit earlier. I wanted to get some of my Poshmark orders up before I go, so I turned my filming lights on and all that stuff, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, the reason why I've done absolutely, or feels like I've done absolutely nothing today, at least productive, is because we have a new puppy. My mom, one of her friends or something like that, their dogs couldn't get a neutered or spayed appointment because of COVID and all that stuff, so they had a litter. So my mom took one and my aunt took another one and all that stuff, so we have a lot of puppies in the family now. But yeah, he's sleeping right now, so I'll show you a little more clips of him later. I posted a reel and a TikTok about him, so go follow them there. But yeah, his name is Otis, and he is a mutt. Like, he's a mixture of a lot of things. The mom was a sheepdoodle, a sheepdog and a poodle, and then the dad was a golden retriever, St. Bernard, so he's gonna be a big boy. Needless to say, having a puppy in the house has definitely interrupted my regular morning routine. And it's just, I feel like I'm getting no work done because he just needs constant attention all the time. Anyway, I just wanted to come on quickly and say hello, welcome you to the vlog, all that stuff. I figure I'll turn this into a weekend vlog because I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna upload this stuff to Poshmark and then I'm gonna head to work. So I'll talk to you guys later. Saturday. Oh, this lighting is not the best. I turned on my filming light quick because I got a package. Super exciting. At first I did not know what this was, or what it was, but now I do, and I'm so excited. Last year I worked with Caseapp and I got to design my own phone case. So this is what I did. I did my initials, EKW. And I really liked it. It was my favorite case. It's really sturdy. It's like the hard kind, it's not the soft. And yeah, I loved it. But then I upgraded my phone, so I did it again. I did a little bit of a darker color. I tried to get it to match as much as possible. I did the K a little bit bigger than the W because I didn't like the spacing here. But yeah, I think it's so cute. So I'm really happy with it. I already put on the case because I was so excited. Also, this time I got a laptop skin instead of another phone case because I really don't ever want to change this. So I figured I would share it with you guys. I think it's super just simple and cute, and yeah, so this is it here. So the apple you can just peel off, and I also just put my EK initials there, and I thought that was just super cute. So I have my laptop here, and I'm currently packing and getting ready to go visit my boyfriend for a couple days, and I'm getting distracted. I said I would leave in an hour, and I don't think I'll do that. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on. I'm so excited. So I need to clean it off a little bit, but I'll do a little time lapse of me putting it on. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. It feels like it's a case, but it's just a little skin. Wow, that is perfect. Oh, I'm so happy with it. So here's my desk. I'm currently trying to up my work from home vibe. My brother gave me his old gaming monitor, and then my other brother gave me his gaming keyboard. But he also gave me his mouse, but it lights up and everything like that, and I really don't like it, so I just ordered one off of Amazon. Macrame Hippie from Instagram, I think that's her title. She made these for me, these little coasters, and they're beautiful. So I have that there for my tea and drinks and all that stuff. I also have a little stash of candy that I like snack on. I have this little calendar, which I always write on the back of like previous day. I'll write like my to-do list for the current day or next day. Got this candle from HomeSense. Yeah, I love it. They look beautiful together. I love the blue color that I picked. Matches well with this, my blue summer aesthetic. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't get over the feel of like how hard and sturdy it is, like the quality, but like how simple it was to put on and do and all that stuff. So it looks so good. Also, look at the super cute case it came with, the thing. So that was cute. I'm gonna keep this when I'm at the cottage or on the beach and stuff like that, so I can slip my phone in it, so I don't get sand and dirt or anything in it. So I'm gonna keep it, and it's super cute. But yeah, oh, here's also, so that's the old one. This was my 7 Plus, and this is my 11. I figured I'd just give you a tour of the rest of it. This lamp is from IKEA. Stand is just from the dollar store. I keep all of my books in here. This actually is Sketchbook, or Ferris Wheel Press. And it's this gorgeous sketchbook. I'll show you things I haven't written in, but I'm not into journaling as much, but I started doing some prompts that I found on Pinterest, and I've just been filling them out in here. And I just think it's really nice. It's a very good quality sketchbook. I'm not into drawing or anything like that, but I like writing lists and writing my thoughts and keeping track of things. So I keep that all in here, and I think it's very pretty, and again, goes with my blue aesthetic. This does not, but that's all my finances and stuff. And then I have some more notebooks, and then just plain sheets of paper. When I'm in meetings and stuff, I need a quick note. The desk itself, I did a custom one at IKEA. I have the Alex drawers. That's all my other stuff from like my apartment. I just don't have a place to put it, but it's all like kitchen stuff, random decor pieces that just don't really fit in my bedroom. Things for like the bathroom and stuff. So I've just left them in there, and then when I move out, it's just easy to move. So the desk itself is from IKEA. I can leave it all down in the description, but I have all that there. And then I just got the 2 poles to add to it. And then that is my filing cabinet. So yeah, but this is my work from home setup. Pretty messy, not gonna lie. I should have wiped down the desk before showing you, but being completely honest, this is what it looks like. Usually there's more paper and notebooks and pens everywhere, but yeah, it does the trick, it does the job. But I think these cases add a lot to it, add some nice color and a touch of my personality to it. So yeah, I really like it. I should get some artwork or something to put up here, or some shelves, just to make it look nice. But yeah, so yeah, that's super exciting. Thank you so much for caseapp for sending those my way. I'm gonna leave the discount code that they provided you guys in the description, so you can go check it out. I'll leave the links and socials and all that stuff, which is good. So go check them out. You can go and design your own phone case, put your initials on like I have if you want. I don't know, I just think it's abstract. It's like fun and bold, but it's simple. And it's very like personable, so I like it. You can add images of your friends and family, of your pets, of yourself if you want, or you can add like different colors. They have a huge, like when I say huge, I mean huge wide selection of patterns and designs and stuff like that. Like it's amazing. And same with the skins. I chose to customize them because I just wanted something for me to create on my own. but there were a lot of designs that I thought were really, really cool. So yeah, anyway, that's awesome. So again, thank you caseapp for sending these over. Finish off what I was doing and packing, and I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna visit my friend on the way and drop off her housewarming gift. Obviously social distancing and all that stuff, but I just wanted to pop in and drop that off because it's on my way, and then carry on. I got a 3-hour drive ahead of me, so I listened, got all my podcasts sorted. I've been saving this for my drive, but the Caitlin Bristow, Jason Tartick proposal was recorded, and I think it's amazing, so I'm so happy for them, and I'm happy to listen to it, so I'm excited, and I'm excited to listen to that podcast. So I saved it for my drive. I've also been listening to the Joe Rogan, Elon Musk, and Dave Chappelle podcast. Well, sorry, they're not together. Joe Rogan was interviewing Elon Musk, and then there's another one of him interviewing Dave Chappelle, and I wanted to listen to them. So you can listen to those as well, so that should take up most of my drive. So yeah, anyway, I will talk to you later. Hello, we're back. I am at Brendan's now. He's currently at work, so he gets off later tonight. Feeling very snackish, so I think I'm going to help myself to some pistachios. I bought the unsalted version, trying to be healthier, but like I say, I'm gonna be healthier, but I'm about to pour myself a glass of wine. So I figured I would pour a glass with you. The wines that my dad made, and it's pretty good. It's very sweet. He used to make this wine called, I'm gonna butcher the naming of it, Gustermeyer wine? Gustermeyer? It's really good. It was like a Riesling, so it wasn't very sweet, but this is a Pinot Grigio, and it's very sweet. But anyway, cheers. Happy, I was about to say Friday. Happy Saturday. So anyway, I'm currently rewatching The Crown. That's what's new. I think I started a couple weeks ago because Brendan is now getting into it, but he really only watches it with me, I think. So I've been rewatching it. So I guess this is now the 3rd time I'm watching it. And I'm also trying to get my dad to get into it. But so anyway, so that's what I've been watching on Netflix. I haven't really watched a lot of Disney Plus lately. I haven't really had a lot of time. I finished Shoe Dog, finally. If you watched my May goals, that was one of them. And I recently started Anxious People by Friedrich something. I can't remember his last name. Being completely honest, I'm finding a hard time getting into it. I haven't read a fiction book in a really long time. So it's that switch of your mindset sort of thing that I'm kind of getting used to. A lot of people say it's really good, so I'm gonna keep reading. My friend's reading it at the same time. Well, she's listening to the audiobook, but her mom said the same thing. She's like, it gets really good, so just keep going. So maybe I will take a break from The Crown and read that for a little bit while snacking and having a glass of wine. So anyway, I figured I'd just keep you updated and have a little cheers with you. It's gonna be my night. Before I go, I just wanted to share Brendan's kitchen because it's beautiful. Let me turn on the bigger light. It's just beautiful. I love it. It is so nice. So we did the backsplash a couple weeks ago. It was a task and a half. Obviously, Brendan did most of it. I was just kind of the assistant and passing him things. I did a couple, but it is it's definitely different. But anyway, it's beautiful, and very, very nice. So I think the last time I was here, I updated you guys, and I think he just got the tap. I think that was the last time I was here, was like October when I filmed in this spot. But yeah, so the countertop is new, the backsplash is done. It's very good. It's coming along. He's done put a lot into work in it, and it's paying off. I think it's beautiful. So good work, Brendan, if you're watching.